Hello, good day. We are the group 4, and this is our presentation for Lab 9. And this is the first part of our codes, and this is the second part. Alright, let's start. In this lab report, we were asked to code the multiplication table. We use int main as our data type. Excuse me. We use the numbers 1 to 10 as our variables and multiplied each number to 1 to 10. Once or multiplied each other from their base rather. Once the user runs the application, the sequence will begin, and when it finished, the application will show the multiplication table from 1 to 10. So compile and run. And this is our little multiplication table for 1 from 1 to 10. So alright, in order to know the accuracy of this, you just need to add the base. So for example, first number that will appear here is 1. Alright, you start with the 1 and that is your basis. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and so on. And as you can see, there's a duplication here, but you can just ignore the first part before the multiplication or the addition goes on. So alright, this is accurate. 3 plus 3, 6, and plus actually this is my first time checking the execution table. So yeah, it's accurate because I happen to memorize all these back when I was grade 6. So of course, yeah. So in our conclusion, we found out that the execution of these codes can be applied to grade school students who is like me, who work on their multiplication skills. And let's move on for the part 2. So these are the codes for our part 2. And in this lab report, we have to convert temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius. We use temp F here for Fahrenheit and temp C for Celsius. Alright, as our variables. So in order to get the Celsius, the codes will obey the formula for conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. The code's formula here is temp C is equals to Fahrenheit temperature minus 32 close parenthesis times open parenthesis 5.0 divided by 9 close parenthesis. And wherein temperature is the value of the Fahrenheit that the user has provided. And as shown in the while statement, there will be up to 10 number of temperatures that can plug in. Alright, it should be 10. No. 6 pala. My God. 6. Alright, my bad. It's 6. Alright, so let's start. Let's compile and run it. So this is the execution. So just type in 100, 500, 600. And this is the end. Right. Hit 6 and that's the end. Alright, let's see if these codes are accurate. So let's go to temperature. Wait, I'll make it visible in order for you to see temperature to from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so the first one is 100. Okay, 100. So 37.7778 it is the Celsius temperature. Alright, so one more time. Actually 800. Okay, it's accurate. Alright, so from what you can see, it's all accurate. So let us move on with the conclusion. Alright, these codes are applicable in science studies as well as being knowledgeable about the difference between Fahrenheit and Celsius, because it can help them to know instantly the temperature thanks to these codes. Plus, they can manipulate the limit of how many numbers they can convert by manipulating while loop statement. So for example, like what I did earlier, I just changed this thing. Yeah. For my limit of how many numbers that I want to convert. So actually, for example, I want to convert with conversion with limit of 20 or something. So that's a lot. You can make a table from that. So 6. Let's do 20. Oh, the 6 come. Oh, I forgot to compile and run muna. I forgot to compile and run first. Alright, so 60, 83, yeah. Actually, it's going to 20. And this is the last. So yeah. You can just manipulate the limit of how many numbers that they can convert. So yeah, that's all for our Lab 9 presentation. And I hope you enjoyed this presentation of mine. Peace and thank you.